The emergency room is no fun. Whether you're in bad shape yourself or you're panicked about a loved one, you are feeling awful. You wait for hours surrounded by other miserable people and overworked doctors and nurses. And then you get a huge bill, because the emergency room is the most expensive type of care. However, as many as 70% of ER visits are unnecessary, so this suffering can often be avoided. We don't have a crystal ball to tell you whether you need to dash to the hospital, but we do have some pointers to help you get the best care possible and save money. Use urgent care. These clinics are open extended hours, and they treat many conditions that need immediate attention but are not life-threatening: allergic reactions, sprains or broken bones, infections, and much more. You will usually get treated much faster and pay much less than at the ER. However, be sure your urgent care clinic accepts your insurance or is in-network. If you go to an out-of-network clinic, one that does not accept your insurance, you might pay much more than you have to. Sadly, in some areas, urgent care clinics have recently opened that do not accept any type of insurance. They don't warn you of this when you walk in the door, and often people are too sick or hurt to clarify. They're there because their situation is urgent. So, be careful. A helpful hint is to keep the address of the nearest urgent care clinic that accepts your insurance or is in-network in your phone and on your refrigerator. Also, you can call your 24-hour nurse hotline. Medical advice is always just a phone call away, even if it's the middle of the night, either through your insurance or through your primary care provider. Another helpful hint, yep, you guessed it. Have the phone number for your 24-hour nurse hotline in your phone and on your refrigerator. The emergency room should be your last resort. You pay for insurance, which is expensive, so you should get the most out of your plan. Of course, the ER can be necessary, and those times are scary and exhausting, as well as expensive. Understanding your options will save you time and money and will help you to manage a real emergency.